so welcome once again. So I'm teaching us how we can actually purchase our website domain name and also our web hosting. So, like I said earlier, our web hosting is how we purchase a space for our websites on the World Wide Web. So it's more like we acquiring an accommodation for our website. So every information that pertains to our website are being stored on our web hosting. Right. So we'll be using a very reliable platform called Hostinger to purchase our web hosting and also our domain. And web Hostinger currently is giving the free domain, so I'm not purchasing the domain, right? And they are giving up to 75% off hosting plus website builder, right? And they also have currently um, a discount of $2.99 per month plus 2 months free if we claim the deal now. So let's try to claim this deal by clicking on claim deal. Okay, so it's showing me here three different platforms I have to choose. Show me here the premium plan, the business plan, and also the cloud startup. And what I'm looking for basically is the SSL. The SSL is the secured socket layer, which has to do with the security of your website. It is what determines how secure the website is. When you have an SSL installed on your website, it prevents hackers from hacking your information. In other words, your information is being secured. You don't want your information to be tampered with, right? So your information is being secured when you have an SSL installed on your website. And Hostinger is giving unlimited free SSL, right? And not just that, there's also unlimited bandwidth and also free email. Now, Hostinger gives you an option of you customizing email addresses. Okay, so instead of you purchasing an email address, all right, you're customizing your email address. Okay, something like if your customers want to talk to support, you have an email address already customized for that. Something like support at bandwidth.com. Okay, support at mbcreative.com, admin at gmail.ng, is a customized email address. And Hostinger is giving us that cool opportunity for us to have a customized website email addresses, right? So we'll be choosing one of these plans. I'm not going for the cloud startup, neither am I going for the business plan. I'm going for the premium plan. So let's click on add to cart. Let's go. So right now it will be showing me how, or rather where I'll be purchasing my plan, and it will be showing me 4 different periods that I have to choose from. 4 different periods I have to choose from. It has the 48-month period, 24-month period, 12-month period, and also the 1-month period, which is monthly. All right. So if you ask me which should I go for, which should you go for, I would say can we go with the 48-month period, right? Because at the end of the 4 years, which is 48 months, you'll be paying just $7.99 per month, right? Now, when you go for the 24-month plan, you'll be paying $8.99 per month after 2 years. Then if you go for the yearly plan, which is 12 months, you'll be paying $9.99 per month after 1 year. Then if you choose to go for the monthly plan, which I won't advise you go for, you'll be paying $11.99 every month, and you won't even get a free domain. Okay, but if you go for the yearly plan or the 2-year plan or the 4-year plan, you must get a free domain for first year. You must get a free domain, right? So I'll be creating an account right now, right? I've created an account right now. Let me input my email address, right? Let me input my email address. And then my password. Alright, so I'll be choosing a payment system, either a credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. Okay, so this CoinGate is more like when you have a cryptocurrency. Okay, you can actually make purchase with your Bitcoin, or any crypto that you have, right? So it's showing me here 48-month plan, which means I didn't choose my 12-month plan. So let me choose my 12-month plan here, right? Let me choose my 12-month plan, because I actually want to go for the 12-month plan, okay? So that after the first time we pay $9.99, and guess what? We'll be making a lot of money from the kind of website that we're showing us, right? Because I'm building an e-commerce website. We are building an e-commerce website, and we have a guru who will be showing us how we can actually make sales, make crazy sales from e-commerce business itself, right? So and I'll be showing us how we can actually build an e-commerce website. So we are in for a treat. So let me just put in my details here so that I could purchase the plan. Let me change this phone number, right? Let me change this phone number to this, right? So then I have a coupon code. So it shows me here. I have a coupon code. It's asking me a question. I have a coupon code. So let me choose. I have a coupon code. So coupon code is JFD10. JFD10. That's my coupon code. So once I click on apply right now, I will get a higher discount, right? So right now from 73%, I now have 76% discount, and instead of me to pay $38.28, I'll be paying how much? I'll be paying $34.45. Isn't that amazing, right? So right now I'll be inputting my card details so I can make purchase for my web hosting. Isn't that amazing? So I'll be seeing you on the other
So
side after
hello
I've
guys.
made
So
my
right here I
purchase,
was
right? I'll be seeing
redirected
you on the
to
other side.
my email address. Right, I was redirected there to verify my email address. But before then, I was asked to uh, create a new password, a stronger password, and then I was redirected to my cPanel. My cPanel is my control panel, right? So I was redirected there to verify my email address, and we have the button here called verify email, right? So for me, I'll be verifying my email address. I'll be clicking on verify email, right? And then it will lead us to our cPanel. Our cPanel, like I said earlier, is a control panel. Is where we can make changes to our web hosting, so you can manipulate our web hosting since it is now ours, right? You can make any form of change right now on our web hosting. So here we have setup button. They also have the claim domain, right? So we'll be setting up our web hosting, right? And I'll be skipping the claim domain. I'm skipping the claim domain because we would also do the claim domain while we are still setting up, right? So it's not really important we clean the domain now, right? So like hosting a promise or claim domain is free. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay any dime for it, right? So right here showing me who are you creating the website for. I'll be skipping all this. I don't really need them now. I'll be skipping this part, right? And then I'll go into the next part where it says what tool you want to use to create a website. I'll be choosing WordPress, which is my choosing my preferred word builder. I'll be using WordPress and I'm clicking select WordPress. Right. Then it will take me to the next page where I'll have to update my details.
Hello guys, something happened. Something happened. I wasn't recording. Then I thought I was recording. I was recording, but I thought I was recording. In fact, I'd gotten my domain name already before I discovered that I was recording now. So, right. So this is it, right? Hosting as they promised. I got my domain name for free without paying for it. So I have stylearena.com. And before I came about this name, I'd made my research already and I saw that the domain name was free. So I didn't pay for this domain name. All right. I just um, got it as Hosting promised me that it will be free of charge. All right. So let's go straight to our WordPress admin panel. So on this admin panel, we'll be making some changes on our website. We'll also be installing some plugins and then some themes. Right, then on our website, we put some pages that we'll be needing. All right, so let me click on got it. All right, so let's go to settings here, and then to general. Okay, it's already on general. So I'm making some changes here. Let me change this to styles arena. This is my tagline right now. Your tagline is what helps in your search engine optimization. Is what helps in your SEO. What makes your website become very visible, right? So what would people search on Google to find your website, to find your products? So let's say this is um the best, right? Let's say this is the best online clothing store in Nigeria. Now, one way for you to know what people might be looking for on Google or wherever is for you to install an extension called keyword surfer. I already have it already. Now let's do this. Let me type clothing store and let's see. Let me type clothing store and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Um, Now this is clothing store, right? Now there is an extension that I've installed already that helps my keyword search. That helps my keyword search. It's called Keyword Surfer. As you can see right now, it's helping already in bringing out keywords and helping me know which of the keyword, if after the keyword that I've chosen is relevant. So I just type clothing store here and it's still loading, probably because of the network, right? And so I'm going through it right now. I'm finding a lot now. Look at this, female clothes stores. These are best online clothing stores in Nigeria. Imagine I just type clothing stores and I'm already seeing best online clothing stores in Nigeria. And what I chose, my tagline was the best online clothing store in Nigeria. In other words, if anyone should come online, right, to search, to just type the best online clothing store in Nigeria, at least my product my website should be among those should be among the search results. Should be among the search results. So this is one thing that keyword research helps you to do. So my keyword so far here is still loading, and this is due to network. Alright, so how do you get your extension? It's simple. Just simply um type keyword surfer extension. Alright, so the moment you just type it, to just show you this. Alright, so you can just click on it and then it will take you to where you need to download the extension. Alright, so I already have it on my system and that's why it is not telling me to add to Chrome. So the button here that says add to Chrome is not active because I already have it already on my website. Right. So once I already have it already on my Chrome. Okay, so it's already showing me remove from Chrome. So I already have it already, right? So all you need to do is just wait to download it. If you have it, if you don't have it, just click on add to Chrome. It's going to help you in your keyword research. So I have poor network, and that's why my keyword software here is still loading up to now. Right, might go back to it later on, but let's still forge ahead from here. All right, so my admin email address is mbcreative@gmail.com. Let me click on anyone can register on membership here. Then my new user default role is subscriber, so I don't need to select that again. My time zone, yeah, Lagos. Okay, so let's leave every other setting here and save changes. So the next thing that we're going to do right now is to go to my permalink here on my left pane here. So I'm going to my permalink under settings. Right. So what I'll be doing here is to change the structure of my permalink. My permalink is how my website would appear on the search on this search bar. All right. How my website would appear, the format it would appear. All right. Now, when you look at this custom structure, this is the default structure, right? Is when we look at this here, it's already looking like a machine word, right? Looking like a machine word, doesn't look readable. Right. So what I want is that I want my website or my links to be readable. Now, if I choose plain here, right, this is how my website would appear. There's already a machine word already attached to it. So it's having question mark, having a letter, then equal to then 1, 2, 3. It's already looking like a machine website already, a machine link already. So what I'm looking for basically is this post name. I'm selecting post name. Now it shows here stylesavenue.com/sample hyphen post slash. Now this means that my if anyone clicks on probably my product page to show them stylesavenue.com/products or my services page to show them stylesavenue.com/service. So this is what you should use when setting your permalink structure, right? So we're using post name. Okay. So let's leave every other setting here and click on save changes. So next we'll be going to installing our plugins. So like I said earlier, your plugins are a bunch of codes that actually assist in the functionality of your website. It makes your website become more easy to use. So we'll be going to plugins here. We're going to plugins here and then we're clicking on plugins. clicking on plugins and installs. What your plugin is doing for you is just to make your website become easy to use or become more functionable, right? It's called Classic Editor and it is free. You're not paying for it. Classic Editor. Okay, so we don't have it added yet, right? So I need to click on Add New Plugin right here. I need to click on Add New Plugin right here, and then I'll okay. So it's already here, right? So this is it, Classic Editor, Classic Editor. So I'll be installing Classic Editor, and then once it's installed, I'll be activating it right away. I'll be activating it right away. All right, so it's already installed and activated. So one other plugin again that I'll be adding is our Elementor. So we'll be using our Elementor to build our website. We'll be using our Elementor to build. We'll be using Elementor to build our website, and Elementor is free. Elementor has the free versions. As you can see right here, Elementor website builder. So we'll be using Elementor to build our website. So I'll be installing Elementor, and then once it's installed, I'll be activating it. So we'll be using Elementor to build our website. Elementor also has the pro version of it, but for now we'll be using the free version, and later on we'll install the pro version. So it says here I should do what? I should create an account, right? So I already have an account, right? What I need to do is to log in, but it says here what? Create an account. So let's try to create an account. And let's try to create an account with Elementor. Let's try to create an account with Elementor. So it says here, sign up my account. Or let's wait for network to alright. So I would continue here with my social. I'll continue here with Google. So instead of me signing in, okay. So it says already have an account. Sign in. Okay, let me sign in. All right, let me sign in. I need to sign in with Google. And sign in with Google. Okay, so let me sign in now with Google. Let me choose an account here. So I'm already signed in already, right? I'm signed in already. So it says welcome, you're signed in. So let's connect. Let me connect the website to my email address. Okay, so we are good back to our let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go to plugins, right? Let's go to plugins. All right, so it's already here. I already have Elementor here, so it says get Elementor Pro. So we'll be doing that later on. I'll be installing Elementor Pro later on, but for now, let's work with these ones that we have already. So this is these are the plugins that I'll be starting with currently. So let's go to appearance. Now appearance has to do with the feel or the look of your website. So currently my website is using 2024. All right, so when I go to my website, um to my website. Okay, let's try to duplicate it. Let's look at what our website looks like currently. Let me go to styles. Let me go to this top side there and click on visit sites. So once I visit sites, I will see what my website looks like right now. So this is the look of my website currently. This is the look of my website currently, and I won't do much currently. So all I need to do is to just use this. I would be installing I'll be installing a new theme that I'll be using, and it is free. It is free. So I'll be using Ocean WP. I'll be using Ocean WP. Alright. Now remember that who would be designing an e-commerce website. So for now, we'll be working with this theme for now. And then once I've showed you how you can actually go about designing a normal website, we'll then go into designing an e-commerce website um, in properly. All right. So for now, I'll just be teaching us how you can actually just um, play around our website. Okay, how you can actually create a website without using code, and then we'll now start creating our e-commerce website. So let's try to create a page so that I can show you an example of what our website might look like. All right. So now that I've installed that theme already, okay, now that I've installed that theme already, uh, let me try to create a page here, okay, so that we can try to do one or two things before I move into creating a website properly. All right. So let me just title this home page, or let me title it landing page. Title it landing page, because we'll be designing a landing page in the next class. Right. So let's see what this looks like. Let's click on publish here and then edit with Elementor. Now, okay, edit with Elementor. So my Elementor page is loading right now, and we'll be seeing what our website looks like. So let me skip this. Don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. What is this in front of me? I don't need this. I need to skip this. I need to skip this. I've heard you. I need to skip you. Leave my front. You need to leave my front. So I need to skip this. So then try to reload this page again. All right, so here we are, right? Here we are, right? So this is my website page right now. This is my landing page already. So like I titled it, it's already ready. Right. So we will not be designing the page right now. I only try to show. I only did it so that we can actually see what our website looks like. Right. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now let's look carefully. Look at this. Look at this permalink. Remember that I told you that a permalink, when choosing a permalink, that you choose post name, not custom. Right. Now, once anyone clicks on this website, this is how it looks like. This is what your landing page URL looks like. So it's not showing a number or a machine number, it's showing your landing page, like that's the name itself, that's the name of your page on it already. So that is what that setting that we did earlier on. Let me show us again. Permalinks, right? Permalinks, sorry. Permalinks. So that's what we did here. This post name. That was what we just did there. What we did there was what we saw on that page where it showed us our landing page. Where it showed us this permalink here saying startarena.com/landing-page. Had even we chose some other thing, we would have seen something like numbers here, but because we chose post name, we are seeing landing page here, which makes your website unique and trustworthy. People trust your website because it looks so legit, right? It looks legit. So we'll be stopping here at the moment, and then I'll be seeing you in the next phase of this course. We'll be designing our landing page, and then I'll be teaching us how we can actually design a normal website. All right. So